Shape of the glass.
Mommy, it's raining. Mama, it's raining. Talk to me. It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. Don't go outside.
Triangles.
Wait.
Stars. Which glasses look the best?
It's a rainbow.
The next letter is T. T is for
No.
train.
Likot ang likot. Ang likod mo yan, yan ko. Yan! Sige. Attack! Ayun po. Not that one.